Hi friends, another sub center that we have for you is a little rhythm bowling. And so you'll see that I have the pins set up, and there are actually two rhythms on each one of the pins. You'll know which way it starts because it starts with the treble clef and then it ends with a double bar. So this one has T, 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 sh, ta on it, but it also has ta, ta. So if you are an older student, then you would choose the more challenging rhythm maybe. Or if you were a younger student, you would choose this rhythm, the tas and TTs. If you don't know this note, then don't use that in your rhythm, okay? So we have the pins and everybody will go. We have two bowling balls, and depending on who's in your group, maybe you have a pin setter and you have a bowler, and then you guys take turns being the bowler and you roll the ball, obviously. And I got one pin down. Okay, so I got one pin down, and then I have to play or say the rhythm. So I'm going to choose this rhythm, and I'm going to say triplet ta, ta, or I would put it down and I would clap it and say it. I just want you guys to be able to see it. But then I get to bowl twice, because remember, we get two turns in a row. That's how bowling is. And I bowl again, and I didn't get anything. Well, let's try again. Yay! I got all of them down. Okay, except for one. So then I could make a choice to then put them in an order, right? So I'm going to put them in an order, and whatever order I decide to put them in, that is the order that I'm going to perform them in. So let's say I got these pins down. I would then clap triplet ta, ta, ti, 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 sh, ta, triplet ta, triplet ta, ta, ti, ti, sh, ti, ti, sh, ti, ti, ta, tika, tika, ta. Got it? And then I would set the pins back up and somebody else would go. There should be four in the back, and then it goes forward until it looks like a triangle. Capiche? And that is rhythm bowling. Do your best not to touch the rhythms because they like to rub off. Mrs. Miller will work on fixing those soon. Okay, enjoy. Happy music making.